Once download the program, launch the SoundBuilder application. The program is just one icon, and other components are necessary to run the software. As soon as you launch the program, it will prompt you to create a new session or open an existing one. Creating a new session will prompt you to save a location for that session. Once done, SoundBuilder will create a folder named like the session name. The folder will contain a project file and a folder named audio file. The file is the SoundBuilder session and will save all your SoundBuilder settings, includes output routings, all automation data, etc. The session file may be moved, copied, renamed. The audio file folder must not be renamed or moved since it will contain all the used audio files in that section. Actually, the session itself will reference to its audio file folder. When you load an audio file into your SoundBuilder tracks, the source file will be copied into the audio file folders. In this way, you will always work on copies of the original, and also you will have a folder with all your elements for that session. As we say, the session file will reference its audio file to the audio file folder. So what happens if you move your audio file folder to a different location, like for example work in a different studio? Well, if you open a session file that will not find a corresponding audio file, the Locate Audio File box will show up. All you have to do is to press Choose, browse your Move Audio File and locate your audio files folder. The first time you launch the application, you will need to choose the Hardware, ASIO, or Core Manager interface that software will use. From the Settings menu, choose Hardware Setup. The DSP status window will show your currently supported core audio device. And you can even map your output channels. SoundBuilder can work in any format from mono to 7.1. So for example, you could even choose the internal speakers and work in stereo with your headphones in binaural, while on airplane, and then go 5.1 or 7.1 back in your studio. If no driver can be found, another box will show up asking you to choose for a new driver. You will need to configure your output routings to match your current studio setup. This will be saved in your session file, but not in the preferences, like it happens Pro Tools, for example. So after you deal your initial configuration, you may want to save an initial empty session. From the Settings menu, choose Route Mixer. This will be the routing, output, and final stage mixer.